Today's date, 7/11, 4 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Amazon.com hourly chart. We peaked out up here at the highs today, and that was at 2035. Now, right now as we speak, Amazon is now trading down to the lows, and after hours it hit a low of 1995 right here. And it is. And this is what happens to people who do not understand options, and I'm going to prove it to you. Here is a 2015 call option that was up here. You heard me. And it was up there today. And the thing is, we always know we trade it every day, but we know when to take our profits. This is where that call option is going to go to tomorrow. It's going to be down here at $3. So $20 a contract are going to get wiped out of this trade. Not only that, I will show another strike price. Again, here's a call chart, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened right here, right now. And this is what happens to people when these things move as fast as they're moving. You have to know when to be taking profits. We can clearly see right there that the high of this option here on a $2,000 call option, this is a call option chart. 99% of people who trade options never seen one, let alone even know how to work one. Okay, and we got overbought. And not only did we get overbought, here's how it's going to work right now. For the people that don't know how to sell an overbought area, these contracts that were $37 right here on this call chart are going down right now, and they're going to open up, and it's going to lose about $30 on the contract. The people that were greedy and didn't know when to get out, that don't know how to use call charts or put charts at all. Right now, Amazon has got a gap down here to 1995. It closed up here at 2035. And in after hours, 1995. And I'm just going to say one thing to everybody. When we are going into this earnings season, they report on July 25th. But I'm going to tell you the earnings aren't going to be good and whatnot. And there was some news on Amazon about its workforce. But you could see what's going to happen when you don't know when to sell. Right now, we have a print of $2,004. The low print was $1,995. And down it went. And this is a 60-minute view. And the $2,000 calls that people stayed in, they were inflated on the call side of the market, and they really were. They were all the way up here at the highs. You listen, if you think that you're trading options, you know who you are. Look at, what are you basing your stuff on? Bunch of retail crap that's outdated, hasn't anything to do with anything. The call options were inflated. It's impossible mathematically for the calls to stay up here at the high 100% of the time. And you know what? They were 22.50 on the opening bell, and then they got them up here to the high of 36.64. Now, for the people that are going to get punished, and they're going to get punished on every call contract, they're coming down hard. And this is volatility. And you have to know when you're overbought. You have to know when you're going to take a profit. You have to understand what call charts, put charts, and you have to understand that we're here to help you.